Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. I hope you all are doing great. In my last video, मैंने कुछ बात करी थी 5 lifestyle changes के बारे में. I really hope those tips are helping you in your weight loss journey and in your overall life as well. अगर वो वीडियो अभी तक आप लोगों ने नहीं देखी है, I'll put the link in my description box. You can check it out there. आज मैं एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक में बात करना चाहता हूँ आप लोगों के साथ एंड दैट इज चाइल्ड ओबेसिटी बच्चों में मोटापा एंड इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू ऑल of us to know that how child obesity can be dangerous. इससे पहले कि मैं आपको चाइल्ड ओबेसिटी के बारे में बताऊं कि कैसे होता है और क्या हम कर सकते हैं, let me tell you about the facts and numbers. India has the second largest number of obese children in the whole wide world with 14.4 million kids जो कि obese हैं. Somewhere between 5.75 to 9% school children are obese in India. In urban South India, 21.5% of boys and 18.75% of girls aged in between 13 to 18 are obese. Right now in the year 2020, पूरी दुनिया भर में 10% of the kids aged in between 5 and 17 are overweight. Can you believe that number? This is going bizarre. Trust me, guys, this is more than any virus, any world war, any fight, any terrorist attack. This is dangerous. This is the biggest pandemic. But the good news is it can be taken care of. But it's only you, me, हम सब मिलके इसको fight कर सकते हैं. Right from the stage when the woman conceive. Because children born to an obese woman have more chances to become obese or overweight. That is why it's very important for a woman who's planning to conceive or even during pregnancy to have a healthy BMI. What is BMI? BMI is the ideal weight जो कि आपके हाइट और वेट के हिसाब से कैलकुलेट होता है. सो आप इसको गूगल करिए BMI कैलकुलेटर. आप उसमें अपना वेट, हाइट और एज डालिए. It will give you the ideal weight you should have. During pregnancy, it's very important to know that you should not put on too much of weight, or in fact, you should not try to lose too much of weight as well. It can be really harmful for both the mother and the baby. So always remember, eat for you, not for two. Then, of course, once the baby is born, it's our responsibility as a parent to raise the kid in a healthy lifestyle. So, let me tell you the fundamental cause of child obesity, or in fact, the adult's obesity as well. It's very simple. अगर आप अपना कैलोरी इनटेक ज़्यादा रख रहे हैं एज कम्पेयर टू कैलोरी स्पेंट, मतलब आप खा बहुत ज़्यादा रहे हैं बट एक्सरसाइज नहीं है आपकी लाइफ में, यू आर बाउंड टू गेन वेट. बट ये चाइल्ड ओबेसिटी बढ़ क्यों रहा है इतना? Obviously you know the reason why. Because हम अपने बच्चों को फ़ोन देते हैं. We encourage them to watch TV all day long rather than we ask them to go out and play or do some physical activities. They spend a lot of time on their digital gadgets, which should be absolutely no for all the kids. And especially during this COVID times, हम लोगों के पास एक बहाना मिल गया है कि हम अपने बच्चों को बाहर नहीं भेज सकते. But we can always check on their meals. They are asking for food. What we are offering is ice cream or chocolate or refined carb or something which is loaded with sugar. Guys, trust me, I can understand being a father of a 6-year-old daughter. Even she has developed this tendency of asking for food every now and then. But being a parent, being a father, it's my responsibility to know what I am offering her. It should not be something which is loaded with refined carbs or sugar. Instead आप फ्रूट्स दीजिए एंड इफ दे आर वेरी हंग्री गिव देम नट्स इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट चिप्स का पैकेट. प्लीज अपने बच्चों को दूर रखिए कोल्ड ड्रिंक, फ्रूटी, माजा, ऑल दोज ड्रिंक्स विच आर लोडेड विद शुगर. इनफैक्ट मैंने अपने बच्चे को बॉर्नवीटा, बूस्ट, हॉर्लिक्स, एनी दो सो कॉल्ड हेल्दी ड्रिंक्स देना बंद कर दिया. Give them a plain regular milk. If your kid is not ready to have that plain milk, add a fruit to it. Make it a banana shake or mango shake. It's any day a healthier option than a Bonvita or Milo or Horlicks. If you don't trust me, please आज ही अभी after this video check out the nutritional facts of that Horlicks or Bonvita. You would be shocked to know the amount of sugar is there in these drinks. So please stop this, because child obesity can lead to serious health issues. This is very serious. It can lead to risk of hypertension, heart disease, arthritis, type 2 diabetes, high cholesterol, etc. etc. So, guys, please, being a parent, it's your responsibility, it's our responsibility to check their food right from today. Because 2 out of 3 obese children will always remain obese as an adult as well. Guys, India is projected to be the diabetes capital of the world. Guys, it's easier to move a stone rather than a mountain. Hence, prevention is the cure. It's very vital. As per WHO, child obesity is the most serious health challenges of 21st century. Hence, it's my request, start preventing it. It's in your hand. And इसके लिए आपको बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ changes नहीं करने हैं. You just need to cut down on those refined carbs and those sugary drinks. Fruits and vegetables ज़्यादा खिलाइए अपने बच्चों को. खाना खाते खाते अगर आपका बच्चा टीवी देखता है, he or she will have a tendency of eating more without even realizing it. So क्या करना है आपको? Just turn off the TV. Simple. Let them just finish their food and relish it. You should encourage your child to have more water instead of any sweetened drink. In fact, it's your responsibility कि आप proactively हर 1 घंटे 2 घंटे में एक ग्लास पानी का उसके सामने रख दीजिए. Let them drink water. They would never crave for any other drink. Trust me, it will happen. Please get involved with your kids in physical activity. Encourage your child to play. 60 minutes of physical activity is recommended for the kids. Be a role model for your kids. आप जो खा रहे हैं, आप जो कर रहे हैं सारा दिन, आपका बच्चा आपको बहुत ज़्यादा फॉलो करता है. If you are having more vegetables, fruits, drinking a lot of water, आपका बच्चा भी आपको फॉलो करेगा. अगर आप थोड़ी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं, आप कुछ एक्सरसाइजेस कर रहे हैं, your kid will also love to do it or accompany you. Snacking is one of the major causes of excess calorie intake. Chips खा लेना, chocolate खा लेना, cookies खा लेना, these are loaded with calories. Instead, give them a fruit, nuts. Keep a healthy snack option always in front of them. There is a term called mealtime behavior. बच्चे को तभी खाना दीजिए when they are hungry, not because they are tired or getting bored. Food should not be treated as reward. Please, we don't want them to lead an unhealthy lifestyle tomorrow being an adult. Prevention. आपको कुछ ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी. Stop sugar, refined carbs, encourage them for physical activities, no TV all the time. It's only us who can give them a healthy life ahead. So guys, I hope you like this video. कुछ भी अगर और आपको जानना है और आप जो भी फील करते हैं, प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. डू शेयर दिस वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली एंड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द बेल आइकॉन. सी यू वेरी सून. स्टे सेफ. बाय.